Hi, let's do a board exercise for this cellular issue. So there have been literature saying that the number of cells in adult human body, and in the past, there's about 10 to the 12, which is a trillion, and to 10 to the 16, which is about like 4 orders of magnitude. So why don't we attack this problem in a quantitative way, a simple modeling and a simple estimation. So let's consider the cells, eukaryotic, our cells, the size is usually about 10 to 30 microns. So let's assume it's about 10 micron cubic. So volume of a cell can be estimated as a 10 micron by 10 micron by 10 micron, which is 10 to the minus 5th meter to the third is 10 to the minus 15. So this is a femtocubic meter. On the other hand, our human body volume can be estimated. Let's say this front and back about 10 centimeter, 0.1 meter. On the side to side, let's say about 30 centimeter. And the height, let's say 1.5, which is a little small, but considering the empty space, this might be a rough ballpark figure. So this body volume is 0.1 times 0.3 meter times 1.5 meter, which is about 4.5 10 to the minus 2 square meter. So from here, we can have a rough estimate of volume is volume of body divided by volume of cells is about 45 10 to the 12 or 45 trillion. Okay, that's a good number to start with. And let's take a look at this another aspect, let's say from the mass point of view. So let's try solution number 2 from weight base. So then assuming the cells compose most of the water, so we consider the density of the water to calculate the mass of a cell. So mass of a cell can be volume 10 to the minus 15 cubic meter times the density, which is 1 kilogram per liter. And 1 liter is 10 to the minus 3 cubic meter. So that's about 10 to the minus 12 kilogram per cell. And what about the mass of our body? So we can consider, let's say, about 50 to 100 kilogram. So from here, so number of based on mass is mass of body divided by mass of a cell, which is about 50 to 100 times 10 to the 12. So about this 50 to 100 trillion, which is not that off from an estimate. So from the paper of reference, they actually gave a number. Their estimate is about 37 trillion, which is a pretty good estimate concerning that we haven't really considered deep inside. So there should be more refined solution, but from engineering point of view, we can estimate this as a ballpark figure. So thank you for your attention.